Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Viditi. I create beauty and lifestyle content on Instagram. You can follow me at PrettyPrettyMe on Instagram. I post content every day, so do check it out. Also, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. It means absolute worlds to me. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into today's video. So today I'm going to do a really exciting haul. It's from one of my favorite jewelry brand, Pipa Bella. So for those of you who don't know Pipa Bella, it's a very trendy, affordable jewelry brand. They do everything from necklaces, earrings, bracelets, charm bracelets, and even customized pieces. So do check it out. I will leave the link to their website in the description box below. So just to know from where the brand is coming, I did some research for the video and I got to know that Pipa stands for more fun, experimental character, while Bella is more composed and classic. So Pipa Bella caters to all personalities. So if you like trendy, bold pieces, you will find something for yourself, and if you like minimal, classic and elegant pieces, definitely you can find those as well. So yeah, now let's get into the haul. So I picked up 3 pieces from their website, and the product comes in this beautiful magenta pink box. It is so fun and quirky, and I just absolutely love the packaging. Inside, when you open, you have a quote here that says, find your sparkle, discover your stone, glow in metal and create your own vibe. Really very fun. So in here, first you have a thank you card, and over here you have welcome to the squad and they have some instructions on how to store the jewelry pieces, which is really very nice and handy. And the actual jewelry comes in this package. So like, it's a sealed package and you have your products in here. So I love the packaging and makes a perfect gift as well. So if you want to gift something to your girlfriends or your sisters, or anyone, it's just a very cute and perfect gift option. So the first item which I picked from Pipa Bella are these beautiful turquoise earrings. I don't have anything like this in my collection, so I was pretty happy to get these. So that's how the earring looks. It's pretty lightweight. You can wear it while you're out with your girlfriends or shopping or just out for a movie date. It is very girly, very quirky, and yeah, I absolutely love it. So you can definitely pair this with contrast colors like yellows, or even with basics like whites or black outfit, and it will look really very pretty. So I absolutely love these earrings, and I actually can't wait to go out and wear these for real. So yeah, this was my first pick. So I love how these jewelry pieces, they come in their own plastic wrap, so you can definitely store this so it doesn't lose its shine. The next piece which I picked up is this beautiful flower golden bracelet. So this is the flower bracelet, and it is adjustable, so it can fit anyone. Like, you can just press it and make it for your size. So it's a beautiful ethnic bracelet. It looks amazing. So you can wear this bracelet with your Indian outfits, with ethnic wear, and it would look really very classy. I absolutely love these lightweight bangles and kadas because they look very beautiful. Like, they look nice and don't feel like you're wearing anything. I'm going to get a lot of views with this one because it's minimal, it's golden, and it will go with almost anything. So the last piece which I have is this beautiful shell earrings. Again, it's absolutely lightweight, so you can wear it for a long time. So that's how the earring looks. It's beautiful. This piece has holographic effect, and it is grayish silver tone. Like all of my shell pieces are really white, so this was something unique which I found on their website, and this would look good with your night outfits. Like if you were going out on a date or a dinner party or something, it would look really great with black outfits or your dresses. Also, this is a universal, like you could wear it with your Indian outfits as well, and it would give that Indo-Western touch which I dig for. So yeah, again, absolutely love this one. So let me know which was your favorite piece from this haul. I absolutely love this one, and also the turquoise earrings. This is something which I don't have in my collection, like this color, so I'm a little partial towards this. So definitely check out Pipa Bella's website to see if you like something. And that's it from today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.